I am yet to understand why he said that.
He's only a messenger for the gods. And he did deny the fact that there must be a coronation.
I don't think so.
So what do you think?
Never mind. Never mind.
You should be.
Your wife is calling.
Yes, we are done with the meeting. I'll be coming to the palace now. All right. Yeah. If you think otherwise, don't keep it to yourself. All I know is your son will be the king and my daughter the queen of your kingdom.
Yes. Let's run along.
Yeah, let me run along. Do not let anybody come in.
I'll be leaving here soon.
It's a real kingdom and the it's a real kingdom and the God. You are creating enemy. It's a real kingdom and the God. You are creating enemy. It's a real kingdom and the God. Why? The broken palace, the atrocity is excess. The broken palace, the atrocity is excess.
The child in your womb is not our blood.
What are you talking about?
You can hide in the eyes of the men, but you can never hide in the eyes of the gods. Do not think he shall be king someday. The baby in your womb is as a result of immoral affair you have with your man, who is not our king or your husband. You evil woman. You want to bring calamity to our kingdom. We will not have a broken palace because of you.
Forgive me. Forgive me, wise one. I don't know the child in my womb is another man's child.
You have tonight to confess to your husband, our king, and perhaps I will plead with him on your behalf. But bear it in mind that it's only his blood can be a king or a queen in this kingdom.
I shall do that. I will confess. I will confess at the right time. But please, do not expose me. Please. Please.
Sali kuda itanga. Alegano. Muke alegano. See? She says what she sees, and the truth, and works. Works. Alegano.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive. Ignorance is never excuse, man child. If onye mechere no wabulu no wa kama jiro ya Imetema gina maya na Imetenjo gina joy yaga This life is deeper than ocean Nobody can predict tomorrow Our destiny and difference Never look down on anyone Sosiopacha, one neighbor, Miri Sosiopacha, Amuka Chalilio. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference never look down on anyone. Miri Sosiopacha. This life is deeper than ocean.
Your Highness. Your Highness.
Woman, why are you telling me this? Just tell me.
The doctor said I have contacted an STD. That I have infection. And that is why all these words are disturbing me down there.
Then go ahead and treat it and make sure you do not infect me.
Who are you seeing? Yes, tell me. Who have you been sleeping with? Because I know myself very well. This is making it the third time I am treating infection since we got married. Who are you sleeping with?
Are you out of your mind? Are you sick?
Yes, I am sick. I demand to know why you keep getting infected and depositing it in me.
Now I know truly that you are out of your mind. So you have started flying about seeing unclean men. Is that not so?
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive. Ignorance is never as good as a man child. If only measure no.
I never said Ezechi will not be our king. It's just that the gods have denied to acknowledge the date and time of the coronation.
Hi. It is our market day, SMO. Is there something you are not telling me?
No. None that I know of. Do not be troubled. Ezechi is our crown prince. He has inherited the throne of our late king. So do not worry yourself. I'm on it.
Okay, wise one. I shall be waiting.
Yes. Ono just left few minutes ago, and I know that you sent him. Don't bother yourself. I am on it.
It's okay. I will take my leave now.
Go well, my queen. The gods lead you.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive.
Okay, more.
Ignorance is never as good
Getting
as a
it.
man
Getting
child.
it.
If only measure no wabulu no wa kama jiro ya Imetema gina maya na Imetenjo gina joy yaga This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference never look down on anyone. Miri Sosiopacha, one neighbor. Miri Sosiopacha, Amuka Chalilio. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference never look down on anyone. Miri Sosiopacha, one neighbor. Miri Sosiopacha. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone. Mirrors of your future. One never. Mirrors of your future. Never look down on people. You are better off. Never you think you are all and all. Don't be the source of people's pain. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone. Mirrors of your future. One never. Mirrors of your future. Mirrors of your future. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone. Mirrors of your future. One never. Mirrors of your future. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone. Mirrors of your future. One never. Mirrors of your future. Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive.
Onyeka.
Mother! How long have you been standing here?
Long enough. Why are you not in the palace of Umako Kingdom?
Mother, wait, are you forcing me?
I think you are trying to dodge somebody.
No, why would I do that?
What happened in the palace?
Tell me. The coronation. Yes, the chief priest, he came and said that it won't take place on the 7th day. And yes, he...
And instead of you to remain there and know what is the next step with the prince, you decided to return home?
Mom, the prince stepped out. Besides, I didn't even leave the way you're saying it. I only came to get a few of my stuff.
Again? Young lady, let me remind you that soonest you will become the queen of Umako Kingdom. So you have to respect yourself. Be careful.
Hello, Onyeka. Are you at your shop right now? Never mind. Can you work in my father's company? Perfect.
Destroy this useless setup. Fast!
Hey! What are you doing?
See. Huh? Ah! My princess! Are you my princess! What is this? What are you doing? Are you alright?
Are you mad?
Am I mad?
Yes.
If I slap you,
you want to slap me?
If I give you a dirty slap,
have you forgotten?
You go back home and read your books. Are you mad?
Wait, have you forgotten who I am? Your princess. You want to slap your princess?
Princess of which
kingdom? You will hear from me, Onyeka. I said you will hear from me.
Look at what you did to my shop. Are you crazy? Come on, is your father feeding me?
Come back, you too.
Shut up now.
You not come and use the money you want to give me and go and repair some. If I catch her, I will tell her she's not a princess. Now you know, Papa, if I catch her, I will turn her to red. Who wants rid of this thing now? But this thing is intimidation, though. They are doing us as if we're outcasts. Are we not from this village? But then you see me, I'm the top of the star. If I swear for her, you will catch her royalty or no royalty.
You're screaming too much. It's okay, you're screaming. Stop.
You come and use the money you want to give me and come and revenge this shop now.
Young man, I don't understand the kind of relationship you are having with my daughter. I want to let you know that it is not good for a young man like you to keep an undefined relationship with a betrothed princess. Now let me talk to you, or let me advise you as the queen. Cut your coats according to your size. Look for a woman in your class. I don't want my husband to destroy you. Stay away from my daughter. Stay away from my daughter. Do not allow my daughter to lure you into your doom. You are a promising young man, very handsome, and I can see that you have a bright future. Go and look for your class. I warn you once again to stay away from my daughter. Have a nice evening.
Sorry, ma. Who's going to repair my shop? Hello, ma. Queen.
So now who is she and what is she doing there?
Wait, is that the princess?
But talk to me now, is that the princess?
Ada, what is it now? Go and ask the car now. See, the car is still there. Go and ask her now. Leave me alone. Stop stressing me.
Anna is not going to see no one walk again, man. You will soon leave you. They will kill you in this village. They will soon kill you.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive. Ignorance is never as good as a man child. If only measure no one no one come out
I'm here.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ujoa, Maduka's fiancée.
Ujoa.
Yes, sir.
Maduka, my gate man, you mean?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I see. So where have you been?
School, my friends.
Alright. Well, you're a beautiful girl. I wonder what a beautiful girl like you should be doing with a common security man. Never mind. Where are you up to?
I'm going home, my friend.
Alright, hop in, I'll drop you later.
I'm almost...
You dare not say no to the prince of this land. You're aware I will soon be the king, right? Good. So I'm ordering you as the prince and the king to be to come into the car. Come on.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive. Ignorance is never as good as a man child. If on your measure no bulu no way, come on, dear. Matama gina mayana, imeten jogging and joy.
No, yes, I'm home now. I was sleeping when you called. Yeah. Baby, please, can I call you back? I'm feeling sleepy. I also go back to sleep, please.
Go on with your call, right? Go on, I try to understand.
I'm so sorry, my prince.
Oh, it's okay. The only place I'll have issues with you is unable to stop what you're doing with Madoka, right? I don't see myself sharing you with Madoka. Madoka works for me as my gatesman.
But my prince...
An ordinary gatesman. You will have to stop whatever is going on between you both. I am a prospective king to be, and you're my woman. Henceforth, whatever you have with him is terminated and forgotten. Do you or do you not understand that?
I understand, my prince.
Good. I like that. Come here.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap.
Right.
Any measure you give to others, you must receive. Ignorance is never as good as a man child. If on your measure no bulu no way, come on, dear. Matama gina mayana, imeten jogging and joy yaga.
Wait. How my woman they come this palace today? Ha! This is the highest error. Eh? This prince when no they take I see woman. Ha! No. Eh? Ha! No. In fact, gods of our land, una suppose involve for this one. Wait, make a turn drink. No. Gods of our land. Anywhere when una dey, Mona come. Mona come close. See, anything when go make the prince I enter my woman body, I blind am. See, anything when go make the prince just stay, say, na my woman na in one chop, na in one knack. Hi! I cancel am. I say, anything when go make the prince wake up one day, say, Madoka, buy me that condom, buy me cucumber, buy me bagambwa, and na my woman he want take a knack. Hey! Gods of our land, make it not happen. I cancel am. Ha! Gods of our land, may not be like say, when I finish my drink, me I not drink. Make a I can deal with my drink. My brain! Aye. My prince! Hi! My prince! My prince! When just what? My prince! You're welcome. My friends.
Maduka.
My friends.
How are you?
My friends, I'm fine. You know, see, once I see you like this, oh my body go, they do me pepe. My prince. I say, whether if you bring Asa for you, some brand new ones they town.
I'm not interested.
See, my prince, heaven and earth don't sign up. You go rule us. I swear to God, you too sweet.
Thank you.
I
appreciate it.
My prince. Ha! Now, wow. My prince, this one where you say no, so it be like say you don't go knock somewhere without me knowing. I did with my drink.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Noah, Your Highness, what were you trying to say before?
Your Highness, the gods have been rejecting my sacrifice towards the peaceful marriage of my niece, your daughter.
So? Why? You had know, and you have the gift of communicating with the gods.
You are sleeping with Queen Oka. And it is not just what started yesterday. It's a thing of old. I knew when you both started this affair. But one thing I did not understand is why you never married her.
Are the gods angry with me? She's a widow.
I will find out. If the gods are not happy with the marriage of my niece, I will not want her to marry Prince Ezechi.
No. Stop pushing me. Stop trying to manipulate me.
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive. Ignorance is never excuse, man, child. If on your measure,
Her Majesty.
Hello? Are you at the hotel already? What? You're not at the hotel? Your wife? What happened to her? Okay, settle whatever you have to do with her and meet me at the hotel. I'm going there already. I'll see you soon. Love you. See you soon, very soon. Hey.
Oke mmụọ na-aza anyị okwu, mmụọ anyị ji eje mba. Ịgwakwa na anyị na udo ka mma karịa ọgụ. Maka ebido ọgụ na anaghị achọ ọgụ mma. Onye hụrụ ibe ọzọ gbuo, onye hụrụ ibe gbunye ya anya. Gwanụ m okwu ka m mara ihe na-eme n'obi anyị. Hey! Hey!
Wise one, what is it? Talk to me, eh? Please speak.
Hey! The palace is broken. The blood is unclear. The throne is stolen.
Amadioha.
Quiet. Quiet. You must apply wisdom. Because the queen and her son are very, very dangerous. Ah. The kingdom is now on your shoulder. The ghost said you should look for the chosen one and crown him king. Ezechi had stained his hand with blood. Not only that, he is not the son of the sword.
Yeah.
Quiet. Go and find the king and crown him. Go.
My prince, the gods are not silent.
Ichie Silas, what did the Ezemo say to you people? That is what I'm interested in.
And my queen, we have offered huge sacrifice to the gods. And they asked us to return after 7 market days.
Another 7 market days? What is going on?
Ichie.
My prince.
Ichie, don't let me blow off. Don't! I need my father's crown. I need my father's crown. And the crown I shall get. Have I made myself clear?
My prince, please calm down. This is tradition. And don't be desperate. There must be a reason for their delay. And when I hear
Bianwoke, now listen to me. I do not have time for those dirty adages. Listen to me. I need my father's crown. I would not like to repeat myself again. I need my father's crown, else!
My prince, you cannot fight the gods. You cannot fight the gods. Allow them to do their own thing in their own way. You are the crown prince of this kingdom, and nobody will take it away from you. Let's wait for their response.
If I come for you, you can stand it. Get my crown!
I told you to calm down. Calm down. I'm meeting with the great chief priest. I wonder why you having headache over this.
Make me understand. You are my friend. And we are supposed to stand by each other at times like this. Please.
I solidly support and want your son, Prince Ezechi, to marry my daughter as an extension of our affairs. Yes, let me travel and find out what the cause is.
No. You don't need to travel. Don't worry, I'll wait. I'll wait for the 7 days to pass. Don't worry. I'll wait.
Ukamaka, what are you hiding from me?
Any seed you sow, that you must reap.
Amaka.
Any measure.
Amaka, I'm trying to understand these pranks you are playing. So if I hadn't gone to your house, you would have left this village without telling me you are around.
Well, it is what it is. Listen, Onye, you're a great guy. You are a friend.
Huh?
Yes. You saw me through it all. You saw me through my school. You were my backbone. And that's why I said, I will thank you for everything.
Amaka, hold on now. You don't need to thank me. Everything I did for you, I did it for myself. Because you are my wife. Listen, I'm just waiting for you to finish your youth service so that I can marry you. And once I marry you, I open a chemist shop for you close to my shop.
You see why you open a chemist shop beside your own? You see why you are saying you are not normal? So me now, after my doing my service, you now just open a chemist shop.
You're supposed to be happy.
Why will I be happy? How? Why will I be happy?
Are you not a nurse?
Nurse what? And that's why you want to open a chemist shop here in the village for me. Listen.
Should I open a hospital? Okay, I'll open a hospital for you.
Listen, my darling, I am in a relationship.
With me now?
Not with you. I have a fiancé and we are planning to get married. Okay? I'm sorry I never loved you. Okay? I never loved you with my heart. I am just happy that you saw me through school. Okay? And as a matter of fact, I am done with everything. And I am leaving. In fact, I want you to list everything that you've spent. I know my man. He can balance you everything. I know him. Good. Because I actually I told you, I wanted a man. A man that can man me. Like a man that can make me feel like a woman. A man that can mourn. Mourn when he grabs me. Not a man that can cry. He'll cry a lot. That's my problem. I don't want... What?
Amaka.
Yes?
Everything you said.
Okay.
Repeat it.
I said I never loved you. I only wanted you to see me through my schools because I want a man that can mourn, not a man that can cry. Please.
You never loved me.
I never. I'm sorry. Please, let me go. Please, list
Hey,
your...
wait.
Onyeka, you want to be a man now? No, is it not that you want to be a man?
You never loved me?
Yes!
And you were taking my money?
Well, of course. Of course. I told you to be a man. Don't cry like a woman. Leave me. You would have done this thing on the bed. Not now. What are you doing here? Oh, you can be like a man like this. Leave me now. Come on to mourn. Mourn like a man that is mourning.
Amaka.
You are crying. Why can you be crying like a woman? Oh, please leave me.
But this one sweets me, oh. This one sweets me because I warned you. I told you that this girl will leave you. You said no. She was manipulating. She was using you. You will go and pack money from POS. You give her. Now Amaka have disappointed you. This one sweets me, oh. Now you're doing a Korean and mebu. Oh yeah. Amaka disappoint me. Confusion. Amaka disappoint me. Disappointment, oh. But I am not dancing. You're supposed to dance, oh. You're not supposed to be like this. You're supposed to be dancing because I warned you. I told you did not listen to me. Now, you're here thinking of your life. If you want to cry, cry is good. Cry, dance, sing is good. That's how people that are broken that used to do. Oh yeah. Amaka disappoint me. Disappointment, oh. Amaka disappoint me. Confusion. But they're supposed to be dancing, oh. They're supposed to be dancing because you will go. But do you know what is 5,000 naira? You will go and use 5,000 naira and subscribe this girl's phone. 5,000! In this hard economy, with a bad character, you will use 5,000 naira. But me, you want to catapult me to Lagos. You still did not catapult me to Lagos. You carry the money and give to Amaka. 5,000 naira for recharge card. Only God knows how much you're spending on her. Only God knows how much. School fees you're the one paying. Everything you're the one doing. Even pants. Maybe it's Victoria's Secret that I used to buy for her. Now you're thinking they've left you behind. Amaka disappoint me. Disappointment. Amaka disappoint me. Confusion.
It's okay, Ada. Stop bothering yourself. You'll be fine.
Why will I stop bothering myself? Look at my brother now. Just look at my brother. That Amaka, God will punish that girl. Do you know it's my brother that sent that girl to school? My brother sent her to school. My brother is paying her school fees. Everything, handout is my brother.
No, you're lying.
Look at him here and ask him now. My brother used to give that girl 5,000 naira for recharge card. You see, my brother have not even given me 1,000 naira. Lagos, I'm supposed to go to my brother did not send me to Lagos because of Amaka's school fees.
It's too bad though. But he's alright. Oh, he's alright.
He's not alright though.
He's alright. He was in love, that's why.
No, it's not love.
Don't worry, he was in love. It's one of those things that you see in love. What happened to him?
Amaka disappointed him. Amaka broke his heart. His girlfriend broke his heart.
Oh. Can I talk to you? Let me talk to you for a little bit. Come. Come.
This one now is stone that the use and break it.
Huh?
Who is in this house? Who is in this place? Is anybody in this compound? Who is here? Are you not that girl at...
At the palace, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Where is your elder brother? The one Prince Izechi must handle.
Sir, I hope my brother did not do anything, sir. Please, no, sir. Please, you people should leave me alone. The other day, it was Princess Amanda. Yesterday, it was one strange queen, and Amaka. Today again is you. Sir, do you people want to kill my brother for me?
Look. Young girl, I'm not here for this. Where is Onyeka? Where is he?
So I will not tell you where my brother is if you do not tell me why you're here.
Young girl, I have not come here for trouble. I want to see Onyeka, your brother. I want to see you.
You say you're not here for trouble. The way you're standing, it looks like your trouble itself. And now you're saying you're not here for trouble. Do you want to kill my brother? You want us to pack her from our father's house? One day, if it's not one problem or the other, you will come here and be pursuing. No, tomorrow night it will be guys that will come and bond to him.
Anyway, when he comes back, tell him I was here. And I'll come back in no distant time.
I will not tell him. No. Don't be doing that bad with the other brother that does not have sense. If you tell him now, he will not come and be shouting at me. He will come and use that and carry what he brought to. I will. Oh, Mama. Mama, oh, my baby.
Bro, why you? Mama. No. I said this baby is a little bit like that. What about Musu? What are you doing, Mama? Ndo, sorry. Ndo. Hey! Amanda, look at my. You will die, yo. You will die. Amusu. Sorry, Mama. I tell you, hey, one more, Amo. Ndo, one. Apa, one. Ekolia. Ekwensu. Amusu. It will not be well with you.
Okay. Let's leave her. Nothing.
Say we should leave her. We want her to die here.
She's not dying now.
Let's take her to the hospital.
Hospital? Who?
Yes, let's go to the hospital.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
You are fine?
Yes.
Like this?
I'll be going to my stepmother.
No.
Your who got you pregnant?
About
Where
your-
to give me?
I'm
What about
married.
your husband?
I don't have a husband.
Oh, you don't have a husband.
We have to take you to the hospital. You are not okay. You are pregnant.
No,
I know. Let's go to the
See,
hospital.
next time if you are crossing, be looking.
It's okay.
So when you do my
I know. But you are pregnant. Please. Let's go to the hospital.
This is how we would have killed somebody now. See, I'm fine. Ha!
I've been waiting for God to answer me. Oh God, I
The sacred bead led my feet to the late Iche Okonkwo's compound.
Good. Very good. Many years ago, the grandfather of Okonkwo helped a queen to escape being killed by those who killed her husband in a battlefield. He helped her escape with unborn child. Centuries have come and gone. It appears that the reward of his benevolence has come. The queen blessed him and said, "May my loins find comfort in your home." The gods showed me everything.
So, what do we do now?
This shall remain a secret.
Of course.
The queen is suspecting and she is restless because she knows that the prince is not from this soil. Yeah. You find the young man, and I shall come out boldly.
I will do just as you've said. Thank you, wise one.
It's a ring kingdom and the God. It's a ring kingdom and the God. You are creating enemy. It's a ring kingdom and the God. You are creating.
Okay.
It's a ring kingdom and the
Okay.
God.
Run like a man. Run.
The broken palace and the atrocity.
See, you go mount this gate for me. The prince say make her bring some things for him for hotel.
Hotel?
See, now they call me. Wait. Hello? My prince? Okay. Which kind condom? Okay, that's skin to skin own. The green pack. Okay. Wait. Fireman! My prince! Be like say you want kill this girl, oh. Sorry, my prince. See, my prince, I don't even discover one new one now. Bitter cola, it dey work, oh. Oh, ma put out anything will go make you not quick come. You go call shop small cucumber. My friends. Okay, I dey come now.
Wait,
okay.
Maduka. Since when did they use cucumber? They knack. You get that strength, even bitter cola. All your life where you don't do this gate for the past 10 years. Now wait till you sabi cucumber and cola. Cucumber.
Okay, no worry. make her call the prince back so that you fit explain to am wetin you dey talk.
Calm down, no be wetin I mean now. And you na my guy. Calm down, no worry. I dey come. Ma go call Izu. Me come mount gate.
I go call your guy. Make he come mount gate for you. Idiot. Like say you sabi mix things. Like say you sabi mix things. Not be you and the prince for be friend. It is easy to mix things. Na me be native doctor. You don't tell her. See, I don't want hear story for this gate. I don't want hear say enemies come pass here, enter. As I say, mount here. If anything go wrong before I come, take your hand, kill yourself, die by yourself, then tell your ghost may not walk around this side because if I catch him, you don't finish.
If I die, you follow me die.
What do you say?
Come back home.
Baby, I asked you, allow this girl to go from the hospital. I mean, you've done enough before something else will happen.
Something like what?
Maybe they will say we kidnap her or something.
We did not kidnap her. And besides, she's not a kid. What is all this? I've told you, allow her to have some rest. This girl is pregnant. When she's fully recovered, I'll take her back to her place.
Baby, this girl must leave this house. In fact, I'm not going anywhere till she leaves this house. I am not going anywhere till she leaves this house. You've done enough. You're not Father Christmas. You're not Father Christmas.
What is all this? It's done on me that you don't have human sympathy. This girl is vulnerable. She's pregnant. And so that going hardship from her stepmother. What is all this? I told you, give her some time. As soon as she recovers under my roof, I will take her back to her stepmother and explain things to her.
I know, but let her go back to the stepmother now. Yeah, baby, I know what I'm saying. You've done enough. This is a pregnant woman and I don't want her to be in this house. I know what I'm saying. I am a woman. I know why I'm saying all these things.
Babe, understand what you're saying.
You don't understand.
She will go. You see, we are supposed to be going to your PPA right now. Let me take you there, okay?
My mind is not at rest.
I understand. It's okay. My baby.
She's pregnant.
She's pregnant. She'll be fine, okay? Your mind will be at rest, eh?
Hold on. I'm coming.
No. My eyes. Ujungwa.
No now. I'll have to go back and come again because my eye is deceiving me. Can't be Ujungwa.
Hey!
My prince.
Maduka!
My prince. My prince.
Oh! You stupid. Let me have my item.
Which items? Which items? My prince. Oh! My prince, Maujungwa. See, my prince. You have wiped the north. You have knocked the south. You have knocked the west. You have knocked the east. Now you want to knock middle belt because belt must be in the middle. It's my own Ujungwa. My prince is not one. My prince. Ujungwa. Ujungkem. Hi. My prince. My prince. My prince.
Maduka, Prince. Oh my God, Maduka. Prince.
Hey, Maduka.
Wake up. Maduka, please. Maduka, please. Wake up, please. Maduka, please. Maduka, wake up.
Maduka, stand up and get down. Hey. Come over here. I hate you beating my soul. I said, come over.
Where are you going to? Come over where? You, they are calling you, you are going. My prince, this one will not work. Oh. It will not work. It will not work. See, my prince, I've been giving you. I've been giving you. Asa. Eh? See, my prince, this one is from Zamfara. You know you don't like the ones from the north. Leave this one for me now.
What's wrong with you? Shut. Hello. And let that girl go.
My prince, I die here. I die. I die here. My prince, I will not agree. 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 Even for what I will not agree, my prince. I will not agree. My prince, I will not agree. I will not agree. I will not agree. I die. I die here. I die here. I will die.
Don't die, please.
I will die.
Don't die. What can we do for you?
I will die. I will die. Bring it to this side.
Okay. I've been dead.
For me, what that?
You need it.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, you need it. Are you sure it's okay?
It's okay.
You said you saw who and who in the hotel room. Our almighty Uju. You're up now.
Thunder fire you there. No, I saw your grandfather's spirit and your grandmother's spirit wedding in the hotel.
I've still seen the beginning.
Maduka. For my priest. My priest.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
Why are you disturbing the peace of this vicinity? Are you mad?
Not at all.
Now listen, let me tell you. I do not want to hear this nonsense around this place. Are you aware I was sleeping?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Maduka.
My prince.
Hold your 2 ears. Now listen, let me tell you something. I want you to know that that girl doesn't love you. Sure, she doesn't love you. If she does, she wouldn't have been with me. Right? And I also want you to know that men don't cry. If you have to cry, you should cry for better things like money, not for women. Understood?
Yes, my prince. Men don't cry. Men don't cry. But baby need to cry now.
Shut up. Shut up. What do you do with your sense of humor? You don't behave like a mature person. Are you okay? I said men don't cry.
Men don't cry.
Men don't cry.
Men don't cry.
That's why you shouldn't cry.
That is why I shouldn't cry. Oye ti wa lóbi, o ma ń bá wa. Is it okay? Oh.
Somebody help me!
What is it? What is it?
Chima, my waist.
Sorry.
No, my tummy, my stomach. Yeah.
Sorry.
My waist. My waist. Yeah. The baby.
Sorry.
Chima.
That's good. Sorry.
This guy's not come back. She ran out of this house. Eh? No problem. She'll come and meet me in this house. So what? Eh? Hey, I will deal with that. Sorry. Easy. Sit down. Let me go and get the bags. Sorry. Let me go in and get our bag. Sorry. Relax. Open your mouth. Breathe in. You're coming down. Let me get the bag. Easy. I said easy. Oh, calm down. Sorry. Open your mouth. Don't close it again. Open your let me get it back. Breathe. Let me rub your waist. You're coming down. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
What's your name?
My name is Isioma.
Isioma? Wow, that's a beautiful name. Are you new in this palace?
Yes, my prince.
That's good. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
I like what I see.
Isioma, who got you pregnant? Speak before I order the guards to behead you.
Mother, I knew it was Ejike. Mother, I knew Ejike got this thing pregnant.
No, my queen.
Mother, come to think of the fact that we actually allow these girls do a refined hookup in this palace.
What?
It's too bad. Ejike got you pregnant, right?
No, my queen.
Shut your dirty mouth, idiot. You're not even up to 3 months in this palace. You've already spread your dirty leg for a dirty guard. A mechanic guard at that.
Dang.
Shame on you.
Listen, I don't want to set my eyes on you again in this palace. Get out! Get out of my sight! Look at her.
She said,
Come
get
and
out!
Get out! Don't come near this palace again. Look at her.
You want me to
I she was this way.
get out?
Look at
this thing. Mother, I think it's like time I should take proper...
You have to get a grip on yourself. You're a strong man. Trust me, this too will definitely pass. Come on. Whatever goes up must come down. Come with me. Up, up, up.
Welcome, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. I got this for you and your baby.
Oh. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Amen.
Do you know that no one has ever truly cared for me like you do?
What do you mean?
I remember the prince. I remember how he asked the guards to kill me and throw my body in the forest. But they spared my life. They were compassionate to me because I feed them. I used to feed them very well in the palace. Meanwhile, everybody in the palace knew that it was the prince that got me pregnant, including the queen. She was aware. But as an orphan, I have no one to fight for me. Thank you so much once again.
This your story is pathetic. I am deeply sorry about your ugly experience. I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay, sir. God bless you.
You're welcome.
I would like to go back to my father's house.
No. You don't have to go now. You have to wait till you are fully okay. I will take you home, okay?
Okay, but your lady.
Don't worry about that. I'll take care of that. Did you prepare something? Whichever way, I'll be in my room.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
I've been waiting for God to answer me. Oh God, I remember. What be where oh God, I remember.
You can't tell me that you know one day Chief Priests are on the run. You cannot get them. Get them, you fool. Get them. Get you know who he has the crown, you buffoon. I paid you. I paid you for this job. Get them. Get them quick. Shit.
Can you tell me what is going on? I mean now.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. These fools. If I lay my hands on them,
My soothsayer said, the crown and the throne has left your home because Prince Ezechi had murdered someone, and so the gods have denied him the throne. You knew about this. You knew about this and you didn't tell me.
I just found out. I just found out. Those old fools, they think they are smart. But I am going to kill them. They will pay with their lives.
We have to team up. We have to team up. Because the time is close. Yes. We have to team up.
My brother. My elder brother in Daboski, elder brother Bahose. You think I don't know what happened between you and the princess the other day? I know. My brother, but he now go. He will go. He now go pieces. I know that I'm an Italian.
I know what happened.
She doesn't love the prince. She loves me. And she gave it to me because she doesn't want to get married to the prince. Her virginity is going to be tested today before the coronation.
Brother, you know about this, yet you did it. Why?
I wasn't thinking right.
Both of you must leave this kingdom right now. The queen is enraged. She's looking for how to kill me and even the chief priest. So you must leave this kingdom right now. Let's go.
How? Madam, we cannot follow you. We don't know you, we cannot follow you. But then which one is fair?
Look.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you touch my woman? Are you mad? Who the hell are you? How dare you? Get him! Get him! Get that bastard! Make sure you bring him to me! Get him! Oh. I will make sure you pay with your life. What are you doing here?
Where is he? Eh?
What are you doing here?
Ezechi, where is that idiot? I need to see him now. Where is he?
Can you imagine that idiot slept with my woman?
What?
Deflowered my woman. I can't believe this.
What do you mean he deflowered your woman?
Listen, Chisenderim has announced to everyone that she has eaten the forbidden fruit with that bastard and that she's no longer interested in the marriage.
Jesus Christ.
God.
Ezechi, listen to me. Can you listen to me?
What?
Our mother and I went to see the great one, and guess what he said?
What did he say? I do not have this time. What?
That the throne of our late father, the crown, has left the palace.
What?
And guess what? That a man called Onyekashi is with it, and is going to be the next king of this land. It's going to happen. It's not possible.
Onyekashi?
Yes.
Lies. Lies! I am going to be the king, and no one can take it away from me.
Onowu and the chief priest is aware of this, and that's why they refuse to crown you the king of this kingdom. And to crown it all, you are not the biological son of our father. We don't have the same blood.
Lies! Lies! That I produced by an away match? No! It's not possible! I will kill Onyedikachi! Get him from me! Get him from me! Oh! Let's go!
I am no longer a virgin. Yes. I did it with someone I love. Someone chosen by the gods. Not your kind of prince.
What kind of boldness? Something wrong with you?
Kill me, father! Just kill me! But I will not marry the son of your concubine.
What? What did you just say?
Mother.
Concubine?
That's between Dad and yourself, but I will not marry Ezechi.
My lord! Did you hear her? What is she talking about? She said you're concubine. Please explain to me, I want to understand.
Shut up, woman! Shut up!
That's not why we are here.
What is going on here? Somebody should explain to me what is going on. What is going on? I don't understand.
My princess, you are not going to die. Your uncle is here. Yes, I told her to speak out. I told her to be bold and fear no one. Yes, your uncle is here. King Dennis Ndukwe, dare me. I ask you to dare me. Let any of you here dare me and see the gods in the broad daylight.
No! This is not happening! Oh!
Are you turning the heart of my daughter against me? No!
Why are you turning the heart of my daughter against me?
For your information, I have destroyed everything you did to her out of her naivety. Yes, she's no longer betrothed to anyone, not even your son.
Oh no! What are you talking about? Please explain to me. I need to know what is going on. What is happening here?
Prince Ezechi is your flesh and blood. The gods revealed all of this to me. Even that night, the egg met with the sperm. Oriental Hotel, 1988. When you climb on top of her, your best friend's wife, the late king of Omako Kingdom, deny it. Deny it if the gods of thunder and lightning will not strike you there.
Yeah! No. This is not happening. Igwe Dennis! Hey, Chibo! Yali no to go baby. No come that Billy Chababa. King Dennis! You did this to me! Oh my God! And you knew about it and you kept quiet. Eh? Oh God! I will not take this!
Mother, get a grip on yourself. Mother, get a grip on yourself for God's sake. What would he have done? Would you have left father? Would you have left your people? Would you have left me?
This is too much! No, this is too much to bear! Oh.
Now repeat what you said before every one of them. Do not waste my time! Speak!
Ukamaka, why did you lie to me?
Hey! Are you my father or not? Are you my father? Listen, I do not have all the time. Let us start talking now.
You are under arrest. Drop that gun. Drop that gun. Drop it. Are you a prince? Ezechi?
Yes, I'm Princess Ezechi.
What's the meaning of this? You are under arrest for the murder of Ogechi. Move! Move! Where move?
Wakamaka? So you have been sleeping with my husband?
Any seed you sow, that you must reap. Any measure you give to others, you must receive. Ignorance is never as good as a man child. If on your measure no bulu no way, come out the royal. Matama gina mayana. Imetenjo gina joy aga. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone. One
Let me run to my maternal home. Before the prince and his mother will now say I should go and look for my lovely brother. Onyekocha, the brand new king. The Lord has done it for us. Now they can appoint me as the personal assistant to the king. New office. Hi.
This life is higher than ocean.
Hey! You shouldn't have gone. The baby would have gone. The baby would have gone. No can see Malusiaka. You can see Malusiaka. Evil child. They will go one more. Hey! Oh! Hey! Ofunwa Jeko. Hey!
Why are you crying?
Kejika is dead. Kejika will go. Arapuko. Kejika Arapuko.
We were both pregnant. Mama.
The baby is gone.
It's okay.
Kejika is gone.
It's okay,
I'm gonna the baby, ma.
It's okay, you help me, Mama.
I was
Where is your husband?
The husband, he ran away. Switched off his phone. They said, the baby is gone. Kejika, gone. Mama, Malusiaka.
You have me, Mama. You have
I have
me.
you.
It's okay.
I have
Yes,
you.
you have me.
I
I
have
am
you.
here for you.
I have you. I have you. Isama, I have you.
Yes.
Hey. One man, they were quick. Pusimakia. Hey. Wow. Isama, because that. Isama, I maltreated you. Mama,
it's fine. I'm forgiving you. I don't want to shed tears. Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. I'm forgiving you. Mama, stand. Mama, please stand.
At least, I did not lose it all. I have you and the baby. Chuku, Nem, how is your baby?
My baby is fine.
And where is the baby?
My baby is with Chima's mother.
Thank God. Thank God.
So we are talking of Nkemjika. May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Mama, please take heart. Oh, take heart. No. Hi. No, actually, I followed Isioma here because I want to make my intention known to her and the entire family. I want to marry Isioma.
Now, if I didn't well, go back. If I didn't well, go back.
Isioma, I know this will come to you as a huge shock.
Yes.
But I'm being honest here, I'm not doing it out of pity. No. You know, considering the circumstances of which you met, I'm doing this because you have proven to me that you are a good girl. And you have also proven to your stepmother that you have a forgiving spirit, that you have a good heart. You are a decent girl, and you have a heart of gold. So, Mama, please, I want to marry Isioma and make her my wife, and spend the rest of my life with her.
Thank you. This is striking. I didn't expect it.
It's okay.
Nah, you are highly accepted. No, you can come with your people. Oh?
Actually, Ego, I come to collect the money that I give to you. But since I have now seen that you are mourning your daughter, I will be going, but I will still come back for my money. Now, here, when you want to go well, eh? Well done.
Thank you, sir.
After. Oh, we better aqua. Oh,
I've been waiting for God to answer me. Oh God,
Are you having is this a prank or something? I mean, what is going on? I don't understand. What is going on here?
Chiamaka, I never foreseen you and I becoming husband and wife.
Eh?
Yes, I'm being honest to you. Maybe we should go back to the POS guy whom you claim to be your elder brother. Maybe you accept you. As for me, I've moved on. I'm married to her, and even our son is inside.
Maybe you're married to who?
Isioma, of course.
Hey, baby, why are you doing this? Are you okay? What's going on? Yeah, them here. Yeah, baby, it's fine. You must be a good actor. I know that already. What's going on? This is a good script, I must say. But baby, please, just cut it off. What are they doing here? I mean, they doing here?
They are welcome. He said he is married to Isioma. So he is now my in-law. And he has paid the dowry in full. What we have. So it's not a joke.
Oh, please shut up! Look at this old fool.
Enough.
How dare you?
Enough.
It's alright. Your drama is over. Leave my house. Leave my house now! Babe, you have the audacity to...
Chiamaka, please. My wife said you should leave the house.
How dare you? Are you mad? Are you mad or something? You slapped my husband.
Oh, that was...
Never look down on people. You are better off. Never you think you are all and all. Don't be the source of people's pain. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone. Lyrics of your future. One never. Lyrics of your future. Lyrics of your future. I won't tell you. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone. Lyrics of your future. One never. Lyrics of your future. This life is deeper than ocean. Nobody can predict tomorrow. Our destiny and difference. Never look down on anyone. Mmiri soti ọfacha. One never. Mmiri soti